Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about TOSHI targets with my customer reset. What's going on now? And I hope you didn't skip the main video about TOSHI, what I posted 6 months ago. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I'm not investing that meme token. So congrats if you watched my previous video. You know, you are now in great profit because everything playing out perfectly well. Why I'm not invested? Because, guys, I'm not that type of influencer who will lie you and shill you that stupid information like I'm buying every single token. Guys, let's be real. I don't have unlimited budget. I can't buy every single token what I post the video for, right? So it's just unreal. And to invest like $100 in each token, it's no make sense. No make sense, guys, because I'm more like trader investor and I use my money for intraday trades, right? More, I invest some money in a foreign portfolio, investment portfolio, and I'm not gamble too much now with the meme tokens, right? So maybe in the next month I will focus now on BullX with Sol, maybe. But I'm not a fan of meme tokens because, guys, let's be real. There's millions, just millions tokens. I choose some of them, analyze, share with you some useful information where you can use it totally for free, right? And guys, work with your own risk management. I just share my idea. Some of that idea can be right, some of them can be wrong. Also, I can't know the timing, right? So that's a problem. Nobody basically can't know the timing. So that was the idea 6 months ago in June 24. I share with you that video. Just imagine in over the half year, this video reached like 737 views. Nobody even care about this channel. So congrats everybody if you don't skip the post, don't skip the videos, and made a good gains, because on that channel, guys, I share with you and try to share with you some realistic ideas about charts, right? And not shield you some tokens to the moon and all of that stupid things. Guys, let's be real. This token will never hit the $1. I hope you understand it, right? So 420 billion supply, all tokens in circular supply. So it's unreal. I hope you understand it. Even if they reduce the 50% of supply, it's unreal. So 200 billion market capitalization, guys, for TOSHI, no. We need some hype for base chain to what I mean hype. We need more meme tokens and the hype around the meme tokens. We need the BTC dominance under 50%. So all people start to gamble again, because now people kind of scary, especially after the Trump pump and dump move. So if you bought it here, this was a logical 2 zones. So this one and this one. It's not necessary, so we should drop to the lowest point. No. By the way, this token already on the Bybit, and this was the oldest chart from October 2023 on the Bitmart. So that's why what we analyze. So from that level, if you took on risk, guys, if you gamble and if you win, you could already withdraw initial deposit 100% easily. Safety trade, because you can't know what will happen next with this token. Can this token go higher? Yes. Easily. And I would like to show you the potential targets for this one, because if we'll see the upcoming altcoin season, all alts, no matter what altcoins you will choose, all alts will pump, guys. But you have to understand, during the bull run and during the uptrend, every single influencer like a genius, right? No matter what token they will post the video, they will pump. It's pump, and they will shield this, I told you, as predicted, and all of that stuff. Just join to my VIP channel and I will share you the signals. Alpha. Guys, there is no alpha. Just use the TA, just use the logic and build a plan when to in, when to out. So that's the point, guys. After 100%, it's never a mistake to withdraw initial deposit and leave free tokens, right? Because we never know what will happen next with the market, with the things in the world. Now, take a look. Sooner or later, guys, we're gonna sweep this high. It's just like a magic, because we work from one liquidity pool to another liquidity pool. So anyway, guys, believe it or not, but the main question is what this token will do next, because here we leave the huge monthly gap, for example, and it can be there, for example, February. So what? March we're gonna drop down. So we can't know, right? So be careful, be careful. The most positive case scenario, guys, if we're gonna sweep it, the high, retest, and going higher. But be ready and mark the realistic price targets where to fix a profit. Now the market capitalization is around like less than $500 million, so around 350 million market capitalization, right, with that circulation supply. But guys, be realistic with your targets. Also, you have to know that guys here, they in profit like now 10,000% gains. So they distributed some tokens here, then price dump it, they bought it back, accumulated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months, they got a for accumulation, pump. What they will do, they distribute to retailers. So guys, work with the logic and build the logic. So take a look at the target. So this is like a magnet. So anyway, we're gonna sweep it. If this is was the last correction, right? We will form the 3 dress pattern, 1, 2, 3. So new all-time high, it's like programmed before. Take a look where we can stop. So here, first feep. If this is at top, this is bottom, pump here, 0.2013, 0.202. If with my custom feep, you know how it works. Let's hide this liquidity pool. I use it. So impulse, stop, correction, 61.27 block. If you work it with that strategy, you know, guys, you made the right decision, right? Because guys, I share with you some strategies. You can use whatever you want, and which strategy do you like more? So I use both of them, but I use that strategy on a weekly time frame for investment. I skip at the TOSHI because I can't track physically all tokens. So I can't spread my focus on million tokens. I just focus on my portfolio, on my tokens, what I interested in. So if you track and add it to TOSHI to your watch list from 27 block, it's perfect trade. 100% profit with raw initial deposit, live free tokens, and right to the next target. So 0.2012, 0.2018, 0.2024, 0.2028. Got it. All targets I marked before. With my custom regressive, what else do you know? Here, this is still accumulation. Magic. So this is, yes, this token got a potential for the upside move more, technically. This is a market mode aphoria. This is what I don't like. So it's kind of scary investment, talking after for a 600% move. But anyway, it's a low cap, still low cap, yes. Direction, no signal to sell. But guys, everything should be in time. You could accumulate it here or here. If you miss some accumulation zone, better not risk. Trade on weekly, sell, buy back. You could track everything by yourself. If you use my customer set, money power, sell off, 1, 2, money outflow, drop, and take a look. They not out at the top. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 months upside move on a weekly, on a daily. Of course, they distribute it here. 1, 2, drop. To buy back here, you could accumulate here 1, 2, basically 3 days. 3 days of main accumulation. Weekly time frame. Now, this is not accumulation zone, guys. Time to accumulate will be if we drop again here. But I guess these guys will distribute their bags higher. So that's a point. Monthly time frame, unfortunately, no data. Last indicator is take profit. Monthly, no data. Weekly also no data. Daily. Of course, guys, we trade way over exit line. So time to buy if we trade under fundamental value, the last line, or test the buy line. Now, guys, like you can see, we trade way over exit line. What's happened next when we trade like this one? You could see on a chart, on a history. So, guys, to buy now or not, it's only up to you. For me, of course, this is not the right time to buy. This is the right time to fix some profit, leave free tokens, and right to the next target with the BTC dominance under 50%. So, guys, I hope you like this video. I highly recommend you go and check the previous video about TOSHI 6 months ago, what I posted. If you would like to trade with my custom request, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.